In this video, let's take a look at how quick and easy we can build a flash briefing. Once in your project's dashboard, simply come up here to the Create New button icon. In the drop-down menu, you can choose Flash Briefing. Once here, you need to enter in your project name. In this one, I'll simply call this one Life's Lessons. I want to leave it in the United States, and I'll choose an image. When I choose an image, well, I can just search through hundreds upon hundreds of icons. I'll choose an icon, and then I'll put in a description down here. All right, now that I have those fields created, I'll click on the Create button. Now that I'm here, I have a calendar right here, and I can choose whatever day that I want to enter in my post. As you can see, there are no posts, so all I need to do is click on the Add Post button. Once here, I can choose, do I want a text post or an audio post? If I put a dot in the radio for audio post, well then I can put in the title, and I can put in whatever title I want. I can put in the URL of the audio that is recorded, and you want to keep in mind that you do need it to be a secured HTTPS URL. And then if you want this to show up on an echo spot or on a show, then you can put in the URL so that an image will show. In this example, I'm simply going to use text. For the text, I'm going to enter in my first post. And let's say that my first post, the title is What's Good in Life. And then whatever I want Alexa to read, I'll put it right here. And just like the audio, if I want an image to be displayed on a show or a spot, well then I can enter that. I'll just click Create. As you can see, I have a green block that comes up and says this post has been successfully added. Great, I have one post, and I can enter in one post for every day. A flash briefing will play whatever is there. You don't have to have a post on every day. Just however often you want your flash briefing to actually play, then just enter in a post. We'll just go ahead and enter in another one. I'll click on the 19th. I'll say Add Post. I'll do the exact same thing. Now you'll see it has the same information that was in the last one, but if I hit create, it won't actually create. So you'll just simply need to take this information out, and then you just paste in there what you want, and just for good measure, I'll just type in the same thing and I'll just add in 2. Same thing over here. Although we can see what's in there, that's just your history. So I'll take that out and I'll type in something else, or I'll copy and paste something. And I don't need anything in this URL, even though it says this is required. I'll hit create. As you can see, it now is creating another post for me. As I can see that there's a couple of dots right here. So I have a post on the 18th, a post on the 19th, and there's nothing here. Now I need to simply publish it. I click on Publish, and I can deploy this skill to my Alexa Developer Console. It's been deployed. I can close this. I can go to my Alexa Developer Console and I can refresh my page here. And as you can see, there's Life's Lessons. Now, I want to edit this to see, is it going to work? I'll click on Life's Lessons. And once I do, I'll come up here to the Test feature. At the Test tab, I need to make sure to slide the slider over here so the Now Test is enabled for this skill. Once it is, you can't actually test it inside the environment. You have to actually test this on an Echo device. So let's test this with an Echo device now. Alexa, open Flash Briefings.
Here's your flash briefing from Life's Lessons. Life is good, but things happen in life, and when it does, it's best to focus on the good things of life. Things will happen, but if you focus on what happened or react badly toward what happened, you become a victim instead of an overcomer. Learn from what happened and decide that what happened only created an opportunity for you to become better by learning from the situation. That is how you turn a negative situation into a positive situation, and then you are now an overcomer. In weather, in Bunkie, it's 94 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. That's all from your flash briefing.
Okay, so as you heard, it tested and worked perfectly. And it only played what was in the flash briefing for today. Now keep in mind when testing this, if you have other flash briefings, it's going to play all of those flash briefings. That's why I set up a separate developer account, and I only have in there what I need so that when I'm testing a flash briefing, it'll only test that particular one. And as you heard, it also gave me the weather for the zip code that I have entered in for that particular account. All right, I hope that's helped you to figure out how easy it is to create a flash briefing.